Understanding, close your eyes to, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, close your eyes to. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Understanding these kinds of phrases can really help you become more fluent and expressive in English. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. When we say, close your eyes to something, it doesn't mean to literally shut your eyes. Instead, it's a figurative way of saying that you're choosing to ignore something, often something that is problematic, wrong, or inconvenient. It's as if you're pretending not to see it, so you don't have to deal with it or acknowledge it. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from personal relationships to social issues. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite the evidence, he closed his eyes to the corruption in the company. This means that he chose to ignore the corruption, perhaps to avoid conflict or because acknowledging it would require taking difficult actions. 2. We cannot close our eyes to the environmental issues our planet is facing. Here, it's used to emphasize the importance of not ignoring the environmental problems. By using this phrase, you can convey a powerful message about denial, ignorance, or unwillingness to confront reality. It's always helpful to know synonyms or phrases that have a similar meaning. Here are a few. Turn a blind eye to. Ignore, overlook, pretend not to see. Knowing these can help you vary your language and better express yourself in different situations. Thank you for watching today's video on the phrase, close your eyes to. We hope this lesson has shed some light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in English. Remember, learning phrases like this one can greatly enhance your fluency and help you express complex ideas more naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.